In this video, I'll show you how to pay for CapCut Pro using GCash. First, open CapCut and go to the Pro or subscription page. In many cases, CapCut subscriptions on mobile are processed through Google Play on Android or the App Store on iPhone. And CapCut's own terms say subscriptions made through Apple Pay or Google Pay follow the rules of those platforms. If you're using Android, make sure your fully verified GCash account is added as a payment method in Google Play. Google officially lists GCash as an accepted payment method in the Philippines for apps and digital content. Once GCash is linked, go back to CapCut, choose your Pro plan, confirm the price, and complete the purchase through Google Play. If you're using iPhone, Apple officially lists GCash as a supported payment method for Apple accounts in the Philippines. To set it up, open Settings, tap your name, go to Payment and Shipping. Then add GCash as your payment method. After that, return to CapCut, select the Pro plan, and confirm the subscription through the App Store. Before you pay, make sure your GCash wallet has enough balance and check whether the subscription is charged monthly or yearly, so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. That's how to pay for CapCut Pro using GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.